I think we are dealing with chapter number 4, sorting materials into groups. In the last class, we have seen about the classification of objects based on different criteria like flotation, sinking, and then based on the material like that. So today's class, we are going to see about the properties of materials in the same lesson. So let us enter into a presentation. Properties of materials. Some properties are appearance, hardness, solubility, floating or sinking. This we have already done with the activity in the class. And transparency. So this transparency will be the different kind. Okay, so this transparency will be the different. This transparency, then translucency, and its opacity. These are the different products of which this we are going to in the coming classes. So now we are going to concentrate on these 4 properties, that is appearance, hardness, solubility, floating or sinking. So appearance, how do we classify the project based on appearance? By color, by size, yes or no? Then maybe by different colors, different size, and maybe height, yes or no? If it is an animal or a plant, based on the height. So by appearance. Hardness, based on the texture of the material. While that is by observing the object itself, we can feel that whether it is hard or soft. Yes or no? So materials which are made of hard also present in around us, and soft materials also present in around us. Okay. What do you mean solubility? That is the substance which are able to mix with the other substance. Okay, that is called solubility. Some substance can able to mix with the other substance, that is called soluble. Some substance which are not able to mix with the other substance, that is called insoluble. Okay. So floating and sinking object, based on the weight of the object either be float or it will be sink. Let us go to the next slide. Appearance. Objects and materials may differ in their colors, shapes, size, etc. Okay. Including eyes also. See the different eyes. See here one color, here one color, here. See here it is one color, here it is one color. Yes or no? Here or both. So see here, body color is different here, and this is one different. This is white and this is brown. All right. And size is also. This is very small, somewhat small, then bigger one. So the materials or objects can be classified based on their color, shape, and size also. Okay. The next slide. Yeah, these are also some of the examples for the appearance. Some materials shine. Am I right? These are all the materials are giving glowish, okay, very shiny. Some materials are dull, chalk paste, like gold, that is which are not having any shiny appearance, that is dull. Okay, so many examples are there in around us at home also. Am I right? Then metals are lustrous, that is some of the metals will be have a shining property, like gold, diamond, like that. Okay, see, this is a copper and this is one of the metals. So this is our like aluminum sheet. Okay, when you are showing in that sunlight, we'll be getting the shade and all. No, so that property is called as luster. That is shining property. Okay, that is in the previous slide we have seen about that metals are shine. So by seeing itself, we can shine it. But here, whenever the sunlight comes or because of the light, it will be getting shiny. That is lustrous. Then hardness. On the basis of hardness, materials are classified into hard and soft. Okay, we know that many hard materials like stone example is given, and mortar, table, chair, steel chair, Yes or no? Then bricks, all are hard materials. Soft materials, sponge. Am I right? So many things are there. So soft toys, you'll be having many things now. The teddy bear, like that. Next, solubility. On the basis of solubility, materials are grouped into soluble and insoluble substances. Sugar and water. Okay. Soluble substances. What are the soluble substances? The substances which are able to dissolve with the other substance. That is, substances which are able to mix with the other substance are called as soluble substances. Sugar, table salt, baking soda. Okay. Then insoluble substances. Example, chalk powder, starch, clay. There are substances which are not able to mix up with the other substance, which are not able to dissolve, or called as insoluble substances. Example, if we are mixing the sand and water, it is not mixed. The sand will be getting settled down at the bottom only. Okay. Floating or sinking. This we have already seen many examples, and we have done in an activity in the classroom. You have done at home. Some materials float in water, whereas some sink. Yes or no? You have identified like this, no? Yeah. Then ships float in water because of the weight. Floatability of an object depends on its density. Okay, density means their hardness, how it will be. Okay, so this density calculation you will be learning under physics. Yeah. So up to this, we'll be coming to the today. We'll be end up with the today's class. Okay, so we have seen about the till now in this chapter number 4. What we have seen from the first, what are objects? What is the material? Why do we need? Why do we classify the objects? And then we have classified the objects based on that is what, based on appearance, hardness, okay, lustrous, and then floating, one more transparency. So this is a different property. So along with this, we will be having 2 more properties that we will be doing it the next class. Okay, and based on the material, we have classified the objects. That is one material, same material, different object, and different material, same object. That also, that example also we have seen in the previous classes. Okay, so far we have stopped with the properties of material. So the next one, the remaining is transparency, translucency, and opacity is there. Let us see in the next class. Thank you.